Hello and welcome to Creative Edge. I, Sumit Joshi, welcome you all on the behalf of entire Creative Edge team, guys. Uh, we are here on our day 3 of our mini marathon for UCEED. आज का जो हम लोगों का टॉपिक है मिनी मैराथन का दैट इज रीजनिंग एंड let's start. Before we start, I would like to inform you guys that admit cards of UCEED are already out. So UCEED, seed, whatever is your target. Admit cards आप ऑफिशियल वेबसाइट पर विजिट करके अपने रजिस्ट्रेशन नंबर पासवर्ड के साथ डाउनलोड कर सकते हैं एंड क्विकली एक ओवरव्यू लेते हैं व्हाट आर द मेजर टॉपिक्स और वैरायटी ऑफ क्वेश्चंस दैट हैव बीन आस्क्ड इन द पास्ट इन रीजनिंग सेक्शन. सो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं विद दिस. ऑलराइट. So the very first question in this type is you have to identify what will be the number here if this number is 8, this number is 10, this number is 11, 13, 14, and 17. So based on this, you just have to relate to the numbers. See, number of matchsticks, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So number of sticks here are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So let's count those sticks once again so that we are doubly sure about it. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So out of 6 sticks, fourth stick, only fourth stick red है and it gives you a number 8. यहाँ पर आपका second and fourth है जिससे आपको नंबर मिल रहा है 10. यहां पर आपके पास फर्स्ट, सेकंड एंड फोर्थ है दैट गिव्स अस नंबर 11. सो लेट्स ट्राई टू डिकोड. सी, सेकंड नंबर पर जो स्टिक रेड कलर्ड दिख रहा है आपको, इट हैज अ नंबर 2. सो वी कैन कंक्लूड एंड फोर्थ नंबर इज डेफिनेटली 8. सो वी कैन कंक्लूड नंबर 1 पर जो है दिस इज 1. So this is like 1, 2, stick number 1 का value 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. इसका value is 1. Right? Stick 1 का value is 1, stick 2 का value is 2, stick 3 का value नहीं पता चला है, stick 4 का value is 8. बट जैसे आप 13 देखते हो तो आपको समझ में आता है दिस इज 8, दिस इज 1, तो स्टिक 3 इज 4. राइट. देन और फर्दर आगे मूव करते हो, स्टिक 5 will make it 16. So the pattern is 1, 2, 4, 8, 16. Next one should be 32. So based on this pattern, अब आपको इस क्वेश्चन का आंसर आइडेंटिफाई करना है. राइट. Okay. Parul, am I not clearly audible to you? Parul, let me check once with the team. Am I audible to you guys? Am I audible? Hello. Hello. All right, people, I think I'm clearly audible. Please confirm. Thank you. Let's continue with the same. Parul, आपका क्वेश्चन एक बार इलाबोरेट करें आप. यहाँ जो इनिशियल आपका मैसेज दिख रहा है, अच्छा, हेलो सर, इट इज ओके, फाइन, थैंक यू गाइस. सो लेट्स कंटिन्यू विद दिस. सो बेस्ड ऑन दिस, अब अगर हम यहाँ डिकोड करें, सो दिस इज 1 नहीं है, यहाँ पर 2 भी नहीं है, वी हैव 4, वी डोंट हैव 8, वी हैव 16. 16 plus 4, 20 should be the right answer. Okay? All right. चलिए अगला क्वेश्चन देखते हैं. So this is an MSQ question, multiple select question. UCEED में इस तरह के questions frequently आते रहे हैं जहां पर आपको more than one answer correct है identify करने होते हैं. So if we look at this particular question, this is a photograph taken by someone and question है a tourist is shooting photographs of an ancient building from four locations A, B, C and D, right? Marked by this point X. ये X point से टूरिस्ट ने फोटोग्राफ कैप्चर किया. फाइन. फ्लोर का प्लान कुछ इस तरह से दिख रहा है. फ्रंट व्यू ये है, साइड व्यू ये है एंड the tourist is using only one camera without changing its magnification. So we have to find out what could be the possible places or where from where these this particular photograph can be taken. So we just have to observe things carefully here. See, अगर आप क्लोजली ऑब्जर्व करेंगे तो you'll find 1 2 3 4 एंड फिफ्थ पिलर जो है वो बिल्कुल क्लोजेस्ट है फोटोग्राफ जहां से लिया गया है उस पोजीशन से. So we have to count. Say for example, if we count row wise, we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 pillars, and if we count from this end 1 2 3 4 5 pillars, right? साइड व्यू अगर आप देखें तो कुछ इस तरह से दिख रहा है. फ्रंट व्यू अगर आप देखेंगे तो कुछ इस तरह से दिख रहा है. ऐसा भी यहां गिवन है. सो अब इतना ऑब्जर्व कर लेने के बाद इंपॉर्टेंट एस्पेक्ट इज वी हैव टू हैव दीज फोर पिलर्स राइट एंड दिस फिफ्थ वन जो बहुत ही क्लोजली लिया गया राइट. So let's count from A. So we have these two closer nearby 1 2 3 4 5. So point A considerable लगता है. Point B again considerable लगता है 1 2 3 4 5. Point C 1 2 3 4. Point C reject होता हुआ. Point D 1 2 3 4 5. B एंड D एब्सोल्युटली करेक्ट लग रहे हैं. ए को लेकर थोड़ा सा अगर आप देखें तो ये जो साइड के पिलर्स है वो साइड के पिलर्स यहाँ ए में विजिबल नहीं हो पाएंगे. जो ये साइड में दिख रहे हैं आपको, ये एक साइड से दिख रहा है, ये साइड से दिख रहा है, वो ए से विजिबल नहीं हो पाते. तो बेस्ड ऑन दैट वी कैन एलिमिनेट दीज टू ऑप्शंस एंड आवर आंसर विल बी ऑप्शन बी एंड ऑप्शन डी. All right, fine. Let's move ahead. Let's move ahead. This is one of the common sense based question, and I want you people to answer this. Sakshi. Okay, fine. ठीक है. So please answer this one. You have to find again more than one correct answers possible है. एक कोकोनट शेल के दो पीसेस अगर आप कर रहे हैं तो व्हाट कुड बी द पॉसिबल आंसर्स कि ये कोकोनट को रिप्रेजेंट कर रहा है. कम ऑन. कैन दिस बी डी? Can this be D? Yes. A and C are absolutely correct. See, these three dots or these three circles are normally seen on the side where this kind of shape is there on the coconut. So these two together cannot exist. These two together cannot exist in a single coconut. But yes, A and C are possible. Good one. Let's talk about the next one. Again, it is also a possibly MSQ question, multiple select question हो सकता है. बताइए. It says, shown below is an image of solid rings of black and white pattern. A ring is inside another is called link. So one ring inside another ring is called a link, right? This is what is the information that question conveys, right? Then, then this third one, आपको थोड़ा क्लोजली ऑब्जर्व करना है, पैटर्न रिकॉग्नाइज करना है, ये आपका मेजर टास्क यही है यूसीड के पेपर्स में या सीड के पेपर्स में, राइट? सो रिंग वन, रिंग टू, रिंग थ्री, रिंग फोर। इनफैक्ट थोड़ा ध्यान से देखें तो यहाँ एक रिंग इन के बीच में है, दिस इज रिंग फाइव, दिस वन इज रिंग सिक्स, and then the seventh one, ring 6 and ring 7. So these are the 7 rings I have identified for you people. All rings are linked to form a continuous chain. क्या continuous chain है? One ring does not have any link. We can definitely eliminate this option. कोई भी रिंग ऐसा नहीं है जो किसी दूसरे रिंग से कनेक्टेड ना हो. One ring has 3 links. वन रिंग हैज 3 लिंक्स. अगर एक ही रिंग के 3 लिंक है तो आंसर करेक्ट होगा, अदरवाइज आंसर करेक्ट नहीं होगा. फाइन. In MSQ questions, multiple select questions, I highly recommend option elimination approach. Option elimination approach सबसे ज्यादा कंसिडर करना चाहिए जब भी आप मल्टीपल सिलेक्ट क्वेश्चंस कर रहे हैं. बिकॉज एट टाइम्स आप अपने आप को उतना पुश नहीं करते हैं, आप एक्सेप्ट कर लेते हैं कि हाँ ये भी आंसर हो सकता है, ये भी आंसर हो सकता है, एंड इन द रश आप एलिमिनेट ना करके मार्क करने लगते हैं. सो दिस इज नॉट व्हाट वी रिकमेंड नॉर्मली इन केस ऑफ मल्टीपल सेलेक्ट क्वेश्चंस, स्पेशली विजुअल क्वेश्चंस लाइक दिस. ओके. One ring has 3 links. 2 rings have only 1 link. See, ring 1 has only 1 link. The same is true for ring 7. Ring 6 के more than 1 link exist करते हैं. Ring 4, ring 5 के more than 1 link exist करते हैं. Ring 3, ring 2 के more than 1 link exist करते हैं. So D is definitely one option that is for sure correct. Okay. D is for sure correct. We cannot eliminate D. Right? क्या सिर्फ R4 के ही 3 लिंक्स है? लेट्स चेक. R3 के लिए भी देखो आप, 1 लिंक, 2 लिंक, 3 लिंक. R3 के लिए भी, for R3 as well, R2, R5 and R4 are the links. Hence, only one ring has 3 links, fail हो जाता है. Now we are left with A. All the rings are linked to form a continuous chain. A continuous chain बना रहे हैं, बिल्कुल बना रहे हैं. So A and D is the right answer. C is not correct, guys. C is not correct. Only one ring. One ring has 3 links. No, more than one ring have 3 links. आपके सामने देखा मैंने, R3, R4 दोनों पर ही हो रहा है. Fine. So please ensure more than one ring have 3 links. All right. कंफर्टेबल हैं, मूव करें आगे. चलिए. This is one question that has only one answer. एक ही आंसर है इस क्वेश्चन का, एक ही आंसर है. A boat is moving on the river. The and the following path as shown by the dashed line. So this white dashed line is the path. Both the boatmen are facing front and rafting with equal force in the directions shown by the arrows in options, right? Which of the options will help the boat take a right turn? बोट को right turn लेना है. ब्लैक कलर के एरो से बताया गया. फाइन, ठीक है. Now you need to identify the position जहां से ये पॉसिबल है. सो अगेन वैसे तो आंसर स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्ड भी आ सकता है, बट आई विल गो विद ऑप्शन एलिमिनेशन. लुक एट ऑप्शन ए. ऑप्शन ए में फ्रंट पर बैठा पर्सन इज रोइंग इन दिस डायरेक्शन, राइट, एंड रिवर जो रियर पोजीशन पर पर्सन है उनके रेफरेंस से अगर आप देखें तब क्या हो रहा है. So can we have, when two persons are rowing on the opposite directions, opposite direction पर राफ्ट के लिए इक्वल फोर्स लगाकर अगर काम करते हैं तो बोट मूव्स इन स्ट्रेट लाइन. So I can easily eliminate option A and option C. Now we are left with option B and option D. अगर मुझे इस तरफ टर्न लगाना है तो मुझे लेफ्ट पर वाटर लेफ्ट साइड से एफर्ट लगाना पड़ेगा या राइट साइड से एफर्ट लगाना पड़ेगा? कम ऑन. एब्सोल्युटली बी इज ऑल्सो नॉट पॉसिबल, बिकॉज अगर मैं राइट साइड पर ही एफर्ट लगाऊंगा तो माई बोट विल गो टूवर्ड्स लेफ्ट. डी बिकम्स द आंसर. ठीक है, डी बिकम्स द आंसर. ओके, लेफ्ट साइड से एफर्ट लगाएंगे तो राइट साइड पर जाएगा. नाउ लेट्स लुक एट द नेक्स्ट वन. अगेन this is something that we use in our day-to-day life. हाँ, कोई बात नहीं. नेक्स्ट वन इज यू आर प्रोवाइडेड 4 कीबोर्ड्स. आप सारे ही लोग सेल फोन्स पर टेक्स्ट मैसेजेस करते हैं, व्हाट्सएप पर मैसेजेस करते हैं. यू गाइज यूज सेल फोन्स, राइट? सो the answer to this question is based on that logic, right? 4 keyboards layouts were designed to enter text on touchscreen mobile phones. Which of these layouts has shortest finger travel distance for entering text in English language? Assume mobile is held vertically on the left hand and right-handed user presses keys only with the index finger of the right hand. तो आपके हाथ में इस तरह से ये मेरा लेफ्ट हैंड है, लेफ्ट हैंड पर फोन आपने होल्ड किया है, राइट हैंड के इंडेक्स फिंगर से ही आप कीज प्रेस करने वाले हैं. ओनली बेस्ड ऑन दैट. ओके, आई नीड टू जूम इन. लेट मी स्लाइटली जूम इट इन. फाइन. यहां पर आपके पास स्पेस है, स्पेस इज एट द सेंटर and their alphabets are given. So only one option is correct. You have to identify with the letters that vowels Vowels are nearby space in which setup, right? So in this case, I is here, O is here, E is here, U is here, and we have A here. So two places के distance पर diagonally three places तक जा रहे हो आप. Then E is here, I is here, A is here, O is here, and U is here. So definitely this one has more alphabets nearby this. So I can eliminate option A, right? Now let's look at option C. Space, O is here, A is here, I is here. I can eliminate this C is as well as the vowels are typed more frequently than any other letters. So based on that, we can eliminate option C. Now we are left with B and D. B को अभी हम eliminate नहीं कर पा रहे हैं as compared to A and C. Now let's compare with option D. It again has O, I, E at quite a distance. Hence, I can eliminate D as well. And my answer becomes option B. Fine. Let's move ahead. So, this does not have any answer as A and C. It just want you to type in the answer, numerical answer type के questions का part है ये. It says the figure shows different paths from A to B, and uh, arrows are indicating the direction of the path. So if person can say for example, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Right. So a person is moving from A, so he can move to 1, 5, A to 1, but not vice versa. Vice versa is not possible. Okay. So based on that, इस तरह से आपको ये पता करना है कि the directions of paths are indicated by arrows. No node can be visited twice. So if I have visited node 1, I will not be visiting node 1 again. What is the total number of paths to go from A to B? Right? So in general, what people do is they count, say A to 1, 1 to 5, 5 to 9, 9 to B, and this takes a lot of your time, right? So what I recommend is assign value weight. See, A से outward, A is the only one node. So A से जो outward arrows हैं उनको आपने one value assign किया. Now this one can come 1 to 5, right? Then 1 to 5, 1 to 5. So basically this is again 1 only, right? But each one has a different root. So overall there are 4 different values that will come to 5. Similarly 4 different to 6, 4 different to 7, 4 different to 8. So 4, 4. At 9, I have 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 because this arrow is bringing a weight of 4. This arrow is also bringing a weight of 4. This one also, this one also. Similarly, 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4. And this will now outer direction of 9, the arrow that is coming out from 9 and 10 will have a weight of 16. So the answer to B will be 32. Rather than counting each root, if we go about this in this manner, it will give you a quicker answer. All right. The next one, perform the following steps. Step 1 says start with x equal to 1, y equal to 2. तो start आप कर रहे हैं x equal to 1 and y equal to 2 के साथ. This was step number 1. Now step 2 क्या कहता है हमसे? Replace x by x multiplied by y. So x is equal to x multiplied by y. जो भी result आ रहा है वो हो जाए. Now step 3 says y को आप y प्लस वन कर दीजिए. फाइन. स्टेप 4 says if y is 5, if y is 5, then we have to go to step 6. Otherwise, if not, if not, go to step 5. And step 5 is, step 5 बोलता है step 2 पर जाओ. So we'll come back to step 2. Right? What is the value of x? So x का वैल्यू क्या होगा जब स्टॉप प्रेस होगा. राइट. स्टॉप प्रेस होने पर x का वैल्यू क्या होगा, ये आपको इन्फॉर्म करना है, ये आपको कन्वे करना है. अगेन न्यूमेरिकल आंसर टाइप क्वेश्चन है. So let's start with x equal to, so step 2 will become 2, right? Step 3 will have y equal to 3. Then is y equal to 5? No. We'll come back to step 2. Now 2 into 3 will become 6, right? X is 6, y is replaced by y plus 1, that is 3 plus 1 4 हो जाता है. Right? Is y greater, is y 5? No, not yet. But आपका x 6 हो चुका है, y का वैल्यू 4 है. तो आप वापस से स्टेप 2 पर आए. स्टेप 2 से इस x into y कर दो. So this time you will write 6 into 4, 24. Step 3 पर y will become 5. And if it is 5, we will stop and answer to the value of x will be 24. All right. अरे भाई 6 कैसे आएगा? आपके सामने ही तो बात कर रहे हैं. y प्लस 1 करना है. x की वैल्यू y में स्टोर हो रही है क्या? रिप्लेस x बाय x मल्टीप्लाइड बाय y, रिप्लेस y नहीं है. सो प्लीज अंडरस्टैंड. Next one. This is more of weighing scale. You just need to identify the length. Say, अगर आप इसे सेंट्रल पोजीशन से यहां से देखते हो तो you'll find कि 1 block, 2 block, 3 block, 4 block, 5 block, 2 block, 3, 4, 5. So this is exactly in middle. But that is not the case with each one of them. So you have to find out. But अब जब ये equal length है तो whatever is the weight of this entire side, same is the weight of this side. Fine. Because length equal है. Length और weight का product balance करते हैं हम यहाँ पर. Fine. Given that blackfish का weight is 5 grams और मैं अगर यहाँ देखूँ तो this is 1 block, 2 block, 3 block, 4 block. This is 1 and 2. So 4 into 5 is 20. 2 into 10 is 20. So this blue one becomes 10. This blue one becomes 10. Okay, let me write a bit larger font. So here we are provided black one is 5 and I have counted blocks as there are 4 blocks. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and here on the blue one there are only 2 blocks. So 5 into 4 should be equal to 2 into x. So that x is the value of blue one. So that x becomes 10. So this x is 10. 10 and 5, right? Overall this is 15. Now we have 1 block, 2 block, 3 block. We have 1 block, 2 block, 3 block. So whatever is the total weight at this end, so that is 15, becomes the weight of green one. So this one is 15, right? आपको पता करना red का weight क्या होगा. This one is orange. Now again look at this one. 1 block, 2 block, 3 block, 4 block, 1 block, 2 block, 3 block, 4 block. So 15 is the green one and 15 is the net weight. So total weight on this side is 30. So this orange must also be 30. Fine. Again, 1 block, 2 block, 3 block, 4 block, 5 block, 1 block, 2 block, 3 block, 4 block, 5 block. So 5 blocks together on this side is the weight 60, because 30 plus 15 plus 15, 60. So this red one will have a weight of 60. Fine, guys. So this is how it must be calculated. Good one, Avni. Now let's look at this one. Again, न्यूमेरिकल आंसर टाइप क्वेश्चन है, बड़ा ही इंटरेस्टिंग क्वेश्चन है, केयरफुली रीड करने की जरूरत है, ऑब्जर्वेशन स्ट्रांग होने चाहिए. When young Musa started selling dosas on a street corner to support his daughter Lisa's education, his age was 6 times that of Lisa. So when was, say Lisa का age was X years, तो Musa का age was 6 times of X. When he started selling dosa for rupees 2, and that was year 1989. थोड़ा सा आप आगे आकर के बात करेंगे, क्वेश्चन में क्लियरली दिखने लगता है, राइट? So he started selling dosas for rupees 2 at each, and he increased its price by rupees 1 each year. Lisa grew up to be a successful lawyer. On Musa's 60th birthday, she gifted him a small shop near their house, the board of which is seen in the image. In which year will Lisa will celebrate her 60th birthday? So we have to identify Lisa's 60th birthday, not her father's 60th birthday. Okay. So अब अगर हम यहां देखें तो it says Musa's 60th birthday. So Musa के 60th birthday पर she gifted him the shop. At that time, the price of one dosa was rupees 32. Fine, fine. Okay. So he started in 1989. और यहां से अब आप बेसिक लॉजिक लगा लें कि 1989 में द प्राइस ऑफ डोसा वाज रुपीज 2, एंड पर ईयर पर +1 किया है आपने, तो 1989 पे 2, 1990 में इट इज 3, सो इन विच ईयर इट विल बी 32. सो अरिथमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन का एक बेसिक सा कॉन्सेप्ट है, दैट इज Sn is equals to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. सर इतना सारा मैथमेटिक्स, हाँ जी, थोड़ा क्लोजली ऑब्जर्व कर लेंगे तो काम हो जाता है, नहीं करेंगे आपको ये ठीक ना लगे तो बेहतर होता. सो लेट्स लुक एट दिस वन, कि आपको कितना ऐड करके कहां पहुंचना है, 32. 32 माइनस 2 कर दीजिए, 30 ईयर्स तक इंक्रीमेंट होना है, 1 1 1 करके 30 टाइम्स आप ऐड करने वाले. अगर आप मैथमेटिक्स का लॉजिक ये वाला नहीं यूज करना चाहते हो तो आप बड़े आराम से, सी 32 पर पहुंचना है, 2 से स्टार्ट किया था, तो कितने टाइम्स इंक्रीज करना पड़ेगा, 1 1 करते हुए कितने वैल्यूज इंक्रीज करने पड़ेंगे. सो 2 प्लस x इंटू 30, x इंटू 30 और 1 इंटू x, right? So rather than using the entire logic of mathematics, what we can do is we can say 2 plus number of years into 1 is equal to 32. So number of years will be 30. तो ये x 30 years आ गए, तो 30 years तक आपने ग्रोथ देखी है. So this board was gifted in the year 2019. 1989 plus 30, right? So this year will become 2019. So based on that 2019 पर Musa's age was Musa's age was 60 years, right? So Musa started in 1989. At that time, Musa's age was 30 years. Fine. So 30 is 6 times of 5. तो लीसा का एज 1989 में 5 years था. तो 55 years 1989 में आप ऐड कर दीजिए. That will be the year. And 1989 plus 55. 9 plus 5, 4, 8 plus 9 plus 5, 14. 9 plus 5, 14. 2044 will be the year when Lisa will celebrate her 60th birthday. All right, people. 2069 is not correct. Preksha, it has to be 2044. ठीक है? Next one. A beat policewoman is starting her midnight walk, starting from signal P1. Starting from signal P1. So this is the signal from where she starts. Right? She heads west, takes second right. So if this is north, see, north भी defined है, आपको question में carefully observe करने की requirement ही है. Right? So based on that, facing north, turning right. Okay, this is north, so the opposite has to be south. Clockwise, if we go, this one will be east and this one will be west. So she heads west, takes second right. So she heads west. West की तरफ चलते हैं. And if she is moving towards west, her right will be towards north. Fine. Her right will be towards north. Okay, just give me a minute's time. I'll get this a bit zoomed in. I hope now it works. Is it visible now? Fine. So let me continue with this. So facing west, turning right. First right नहीं है, second right है. तो sir, first right would have led to Q1, second right M2 से इधर आएंगे आप, तो इस तरफ आने लगते हैं. Then thereafter she continues her journey, taking the second left, third right, third right. After that she goes to the end and and ends her beat walk to the next signal. In the given map of the intersections of the traffic signals marked with dots, which option is are true? So you have to identify which of the options are true as mentioned here. If it is not visible clearly, we can skip this one. Let's come to this one. उसे फिर एक अगली क्लास में, अगले सेशन में हम कवर कर लेंगे. Fine. Which of the following relationships can be represented using Venn diagram shown below? So this is the Venn diagram. More than one answers could be possible. Snack food dosa. So snack food and dosa. So dosa is definitely a type of food and it can also be a snack, but other snacks are also possible. So option A definitely matches, right? Option A definitely matches. Option B, female doctor mother. So this outer circle could be female. This outer circle is female. This inner circle could be mother, and this circle could be doctor. So this is again valid. Parrot, bird, pet. So parrot, bird, pet. Let me change the color to I write this one. Parrot, bird, pet. So this outer one could be bird, inner one could be parrot, and this one could be pet. Right. So C looks correct. Designer, teacher, painter. There is no uncertain. There is no certainty over here. Fine. So based on that, A, B, and C could be the right answers. Let's look at this one. Standard answer है. In case of coding, decoding, आपने अगर हमारा एनआईडी का वर्कशॉप देखा होगा, मैराथन देखा होगा, तभी ये बात हुआ था. E jot T 5, 10, 15, 20 and 25 है. So E plus 1 is F, so this is 6. J plus 1 is K, 11. Right. T plus 1 is U, 21. Y plus 1 is 26. So there is a gap of 5. So it must be 16th one, and 16th letter post O is P. That is our option C. Fine. Next one. Uh, in which case, the plane is a plane is smoothly landing on airport runway. See, this is clearly a takeoff picture. This is again a takeoff picture, right? Smooth landing के केस में these tires must be open, and that is not the case with D. Crash landing हो जाएगा D के केस में. So it has to be A. A zookeeper has X baboons and Y monkeys in an enclosure. X baboons, Y monkeys. Right. The zookeeper was told that 7 of his animals have escaped. 7 animals escaped. Seven animals escaped, right? From only this information, he was able to deduce that at least one baboon escaped. One baboon has escaped. And that too, not one baboon, at least one. Right? At least one baboon has escaped. C is not correct. बेटा टेक ऑफ नहीं है, लैंडिंग है. C is not correct. टेक ऑफ नहीं है, लैंडिंग है प्लेन का. So plane का लैंडिंग will be this face of the plane should be towards the earth. Fine. Okay. Let's come back. So at least one baboon has escaped. Which of the following does not represent possible XY pair? So there is only one option correct. Right? Because which of the following does not represent? So more than one correct answers नहीं होंगे. फाइन. बट आप जो कह रहे हैं इन दैट केस उस प्लेन के फ्रंट व्हील को ओपन तो होना होगा ना. लैंडिंग के टाइम पर ओपन तो होना ही चाहिए. फ्रंट व्हील ओपन ही ना हो दैट विल नॉट वर्क. ऑलराइट. फाइन. सो X represents baboons, Y represents monkeys. So if we have four monkeys, there are three baboons that must have escaped. So this is very much possible. If we have six monkeys, there is one baboon that has escaped. Again, valid. There are two monkeys. There are five baboons that have escaped. So it is also valid. So what is not valid? Eight monkeys. If there are eight monkeys, the zookeeper cannot deduce that at least one baboon has escaped, right? So based on that, we can conclude which will does not. So does not is important here, right? So please ensure that you are reading questions carefully. Okay. Next one, an interesting one. Three leaves are falling from a tree. Figure one shows the way leaf falls, right? Uh, Figure 2 illustrates starting orientation of the three leaves. So लीफ के फॉल करने का पैटर्न और ओरिएंटेशन इनिशियली क्या था वो यहां पर गिवन है. If blue color leaf is at 200 centimeter, red color is at 425. So blue one is at 200, red one is at 425, and green one is at 375. Right? Then what would be the orientation of the leaves when they reach the ground? So you have to identify which one is correct. Again, only one answer is correct. So if we follow the pattern, after a complete circle, after a distance of 50, the leaf comes back to the original orientation. So after every 50, the leaf will come back to original orientation. So based on that, we have to divide all these numbers by 50. So this will give you an integer 4. When you divide this number by 50, when you divide 425 by 50, you will have 16.5. And when you divide 375 by 50, you will have 14.5, right? So this gap is there. So this 16.5 and 14.5 represent mid distance in which orientation is diametrically opposite to what it was originally. So what we expect कि blue leaf जो है वो खैर blue leaf if you focus सभी में same ही आ रहा है. Orange leaf should be upside down. Vertically up है तो upside down bottom को point करता सा orange leaf होना चाहिए. That means our option A and B are eliminated. Now this yellow leaf again it should also be diametrically opposite. Based on that, D is also eliminated. Our answer becomes option C. So guys, once again, I would like to inform you people that UCEED admit cards are already out. Make sure you have downloaded the admit cards, right? So that at this point of time, I will be ending this session. I request you people to download from the official website only, right? ये इंश्योर करना कि आपने ऑफिशियल वेबसाइट यूसीड सीड जो भी आप एग्जाम टारगेट कर रहे हैं, इफ यू आर टारगेटिंग सीड देन टू इस तरह से आपको एडमिट कार्ड डाउनलोड करना है. एंड वी आर कमिंग अप विथ आवर 14 days and 11 days power packed program in offline mode. So 14 days पावर पैक प्रोग्राम ऑफलाइन मोड इंदौर में स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं हम यूसीड के लिए. एंड इन नवी मुंबई वी आर स्टार्टिंग इट on 8th of January. This will start on 5th of January and this will start on 8th of January. So you can connect with the team. The numbers are available, right? Uh, and all the best to all of you for NID exams. I'll see you on the other side. Thank you so much, guys. Let's meet in our next session.